So, how to fix TikTok uploading problem? So, if you have any problem with the upload, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the TikTok app right here. On this page you will find the app informations. All what you wanna do is click on the data usage and make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are enabled, and then make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back, click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then you have now to do one last thing, which is go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure to update your app into the latest version. You can do the same thing on iPhone iOS. Just update it and then restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.